What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another perfume video, okay? Because I love watching perfume videos, and I mean, I'm collecting quite a bit. I mean, I'm not like actively trying to collect perfumes, but I have acquired a good amount of perfumes, and I kind of just want to share with you guys. So today I'm going to be talking about my top beast mode perfumes. Like, these perfumes are going to be beast mode, okay? They're going to project, they're going to last, they're going to be everywhere, okay? They're going to linger, because listen, that's what I'm looking for out of a perfume, okay? I need you to carry your weight, okay? You can't want to be the price you want to be and not do what you need to do, okay? So I'm gonna be talking about those perfumes. So let us go ahead and get started. Actually, before we get started, comment down below your beast mode perfumes, any recommendations that you have for me. I'm always open to trying out new perfumes. So yeah, comment down below some of your beast mode perfumes, and now let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first perfume that I have here, this is going to be none other than the one that you should already know what this one is, okay? Because listen, you cannot go anywhere at this point in the fragrance community and not come across this perfume, okay? And that is going to be Maison Francis Kurkdjian Buckardroux 540, okay? I have the Eau de Parfum. You guys, when I say this perfume is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is lovely. Like, it smells amazing to me, okay? I don't care how people say, oh, it's too hyped, I don't want to smell like everybody out. I don't care, okay? I like the way it smells. I don't care if other people smell like this. I really do not care. It smells amazing to me. I want to own it. It's a beautiful perfume. Now I get it. Some people are not going to like the smell. Not everybody's going to like it. You know, everyone's nose is different. But for the most part, I feel like most people do like this perfume. And I mean, I understand the hype. It smells really nice. It smells very luxurious. Like, that's like, it really does smell amazing. I have made quite a dent in my perfume. I try not to use too often because, you know, this right here is like special occasions for me. Like, you know, actually, let me give a little backstory. This perfume was when I realized that there are actually perfumes that can actually last. Like, up until Buckardroux 540, all the perfumes that I feel like I've been trying, I just felt like they just did not last. And I had came to the conclusion that I really just thought it was a woman thing, because I was like, how come all fragrances on men tend to last? Like, I feel like anytime I smell a man, like, I'm like, why? Like, I can smell your cologne. Like, why can't women, like, I really thought it was a woman thing. Not realizing, no, you just need to get you a good perfume. And this is where I realized that there are actually perfumes out on the market that can actually project and last a long time. And this is what, you know, that let me know I could do just that. So yes, this is Buckardroux 540. I love this perfume. I feel like it should be in everybody's collection. It's a gorgeous scent, so yes. Okay, so the next perfume I have here is another MFK perfume, and this is the Usat and Mood Extrait de Parfum. Y'all, this smells divine, okay? This right here is something about this sweet, powdery, and sensual. Whatever I thought oud smelled like, because I really don't know if I know what oud smells like, but if you are someone that you don't know what oud smells like, just whatever you think it is, I don't think that's what this smells like. This smells so good, okay? This right here is a compliment getter. I had wore this out to dinner with my friend Amy, and when I say the waiter, he was just like, you smell really good. When I say that is the best compliment you can give me, like, don't tell me I smell good, because I'm not gonna know how to act, okay? I had sprayed this on like a shirt of mine, like the shirt that the shirt that I wore out to dinner with this. It's in my closet and it's still there. Mind you, that was 2 Sundays ago, because tomorrow's Sunday, today's Saturday. So yeah, at this point it's been 2 weeks, okay? And it's still there, okay? So this right here is a beast mode perfume. It's going to last hours and hours and hours. You are going to get compliments like no other. This smells so good. This is beautiful. Like, I feel like this was worth the money, okay? And let me tell you something. If you don't know, if you're new to perfumes, okay, if you want to buy MFK, I highly recommend that you buy it straight from his website. It is significantly cheaper to buy from his website. Yeah, you will have to, you know, wait a couple of days because you're ordering online, but listen, his stuff is not cheap, so if you can save money anywhere you can, I really do recommend that you buy from his website. But anyways, yes, this right here is a beautiful perfume, and it's gonna last like crazy. For me, this is more like a date night type of perfume, or even evening wear for me. You know, that's just what this gives me. Like, and like, look at the bottle. It's just so, ooh, so luxurious. I love it. Okay, so the next perfume that I have here is by the brand Nichane, and this is Ani. You guys, I recently got this like actually at the beginning of February is when I got this perfume. Oh my goodness, y'all, this perfume smells so beautiful. It's like a gingery vanilla perfume. It is divine. It is going to project. It is going to last. Like, This sticks to clothes like crazy. This is a compliment getter. And then also this is a very, actually I feel like this and Usat and Mood are perfumes that I don't smell that scent too often. I don't really feel like there's a lot of things out there that are duplicates of this, but Ani is something that's very, very unique in my opinion. So if you're someone who cares about, you know, perfumes, you know, you want to smell different, 'cause, you know, like if you're somebody who you be hating on Buckardroux because everybody smell like it, let me stop. But if you don't like to smell like other people, I think you would like Ani. It's definitely different. You have to be really into the fragrance community to kind of know about this perfume. I don't really feel like this is a perfume that most people would know about unless you're like, you really, really know your fragrances. So yeah, one thing about me too, I will say this, okay? This will be something that I would say. I don't care if somebody asks for my perfume. I will tell you what I have on. I really don't care. What I don't like is when people can guess what I have on. Don't be guessing, okay? Let me tell you what I got on. Don't like, I hate when like, oh girl, is that Versace? Don't do that. Don't do that. Even though I do that to people. I do that to people. I'm like, I know what that smells like. But still, I don't want you to guess what I have on, okay? I want to tell you. Don't guess. I want to tell you. So this is something that most people are not going to be able to guess, okay? If you like to be able to, you know, that whole fun aspect of like, oh, let me tell you what I have on. Let me pull up a picture so, you know, you can take a picture of it, you know, like. I'm so annoying, but yes, you guys, Ani smells amazing. It's divine. It's gonna last. It's gonna be a beast mode. It's gonna project. It's gonna do everything, okay? Love, love, love this perfume. The next perfume that I have here is also by Nishane, and this is Fan Your Flames. This is more new to my collection, but you guys, when I say Nishane is a brand, like, they have amazing projection, okay? And both of these, this one and that one, are extrait de parfums. Typically with an extrait de parfum, you're gonna have a higher oil concentrate and it's gonna last a little bit longer than like your eau de parfums and your eau de toilettes. So yeah, let me talk about this right here. This right here, the notes are actually on the bottle. It has coconut, rum, tobacco, tonka, oak moss, Chinese cedarwood. When I say off the bat, you're gonna smell that coconut, that rum, and the tobacco in there. Like there's something like almost sensual and dark about this, but then that coconut comes in and sweetens it up. You know what a great way for me to kind of explain this? Like if you've ever smelled By the Fireplace by Replica, they don't smell alike. They don't smell anything alike. But there's something really dark about that perfume, and you can either really love it or you can either really hate it. If you almost want that perfume to have something sweet to it, to just, you know, sweeten it up a little bit because it smells like literally like burning wood, that's kind of what this will give you. Like there's something like the tobacco and the rum is like, it's that dark aspect to it, but the coconut comes in and it sweetens it up. You guys, this smells so good. Yet again, this is more of a unique scent. I don't think there's a lot of things on the market that smell like this. So if you're wanting, like, you know, a little bit of a distinct smell to your, you know, your perfume, I think you should definitely try out Fan Your Flames. If you can't sample all these perfumes, I don't recommend blind buying things just because, you know, everybody's nose is different. And you know, it really kind of grinds my gear when people make it seem like a product that was hyped up, like people were lying about it. I don't think anybody's lying about something. If you like it, you like it. You know, I just think that your nose just didn't agree with it. You didn't like it. I don't think those people were lying. Saying, oh, you lied. Like, what is there to lie about? Like, a lot of these companies aren't just, you know, paying for stuff. So, you know, like, you're not, what are you benefiting from, okay? What are you benefiting from just lying about a perfume, okay? So, I think if somebody says they like something and then I smell it and it smells nasty, to me, then it smelled nasty to me. I don't like it. Doesn't mean that, you know, it doesn't smell good to them. But yeah, so if you can sample all these, you know, you might try to like Whitney's lying. No, Whitney's not lying, okay? Whitney does like the smell of it. You just didn't like the smell of it. But anyways, Fan Your Flames by Nishane. It smells amazing and it's gonna project like crazy, and yeah. Okay, so next up I have here are 2 Mascaras perfumes. Listen, I have 8 Mascaras perfumes and I think all of them are beast mode, but for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna narrow it down to 2. And my top 2 are going to be Mascaras Instant Crush right here. This is a beast mode perfume. I don't think you guys can see, but I have made quite a dent in it. Actually, you guys can see right there. I have made a dent in this perfume. This right here is amazing projection. It smells beautiful. Like, it smells so good. There is like a similar scent profile. Like when I say similar, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm here just making noises, but when I say it's nothing like it, but it's similar in aspect to Buckardroux 540, and I think it's that saffron note. And I think, you know what, now I think I know what saffron smells like, so I'm like, ooh, okay, I like saffron. So that means, you know, if I see it in a perfume, I think me and that perfume might vibe. But anyways, this smells so good to me. Like, it smells so good, and it really does last. Like, it will linger on your clothes. It will stick to your clothes. Compliment getter, okay? Like, when I wear this, I get compliments, okay? Like, literally, you are going to get compliments, okay? And then the other Mascaras perfume that I have here is Jardin Exclusive. Okay, you guys, now, this, oh my gosh, this smells so good. You know what I realized what this is a dupe for without realizing until okay, let me backtrack. Okay, so I went to my friend Amy's house, you know, to smell her perfumes because, you know, I love perfumes. And I think at this point, really, if I go to anybody's house and you have a perfume collection, I'm gonna want to smell it so I know what I want to buy next. But anyways, I remember a year ago or like sometime last year, she has Creed Aventus for her. And I was like, well, I want that. So like, let me smell it, you know? So I smelled that perfume and then I kind of forgot what it smelled like. So, you know, I'm at her house now. It's like been 6 months at least, you know, since I smelled it last, you know? And I was like, this smells like something I have smelled before. And I realized it smells just like Jardin Exclusive. And I got this perfume after, like, I mean, I just recently got this back in like end of January. You guys, this literally is a spot on dupe to Creed Aventus for her, and it's way cheaper and you get way more. Like the little small bottle of Creed is like what, $400, okay? This right here is a 4 ounce, okay? And typically this retails for 180, but I buy mine from Fragrance Net, so I probably pay like 140 and less for Mascaras perfumes. Also, this, I feel like with Creed, I looked this up, there's at least 8 notes that are similar in both perfumes. Now they're mixed and matched. Some will be like the middle note, the top note, but they're definitely in there. It is a spot on dupe, and you guys know, let me say something about Mascaras, okay? If you don't know, that entire house, I feel like so far from what I have tried, consistently has an amazing lasting power. Like it projects, so this literally lingers. I have sprayed this to go to sleep before, and that's actually the best way I like to test my perfumes out, is like spraying it and I'm like, is it still there in the morning? And like literally it's all on my sheets and everything. Like, you guys, this smells so good. If you like Creed Aventus for her, but you don't want to pay Creed Aventus for her money, because I don't really feel like it's worth it for that size. Like obviously it's a nice perfume and it does last. That perfume does have great projection, like, you know, I would say that. But try out Jardin Exclusive, okay? Just try this one out. Okay, so the next perfume that I have here is the Lancome, their Oud Bouquet, and this is from their private line. You guys, this smells like, literally like almost like, I don't know if it's like praline, but it's something very sweet about this perfume that I like. Also, this juice is just beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, like, this is also a great introduction into oud. I think this and like MFK's Oud Satin Mood were a great introduction to me to oud, because I really don't know what it smells like. I really don't know what that note smells like, but I just thought it would be something dirty smelling, but no, so far these are good. When I say this literally lasts forever, this is a beast, okay? This is beastly.
Beast, yeah.
Okay, it is going to last on you, on your clothes. You're gonna smell it through the mask. People are going to smell it. You're going to get compliments. This is a beautiful perfume. This smells really, really good on my skin. It works really well with my body chemistry. So I absolutely love Lancome's Oud Bouquet. And then the next perfume that I have here, this is, of course. Okay, what is this? This can't be a perfume video without me talking about this perfume. And this is Parfums de Marly's Jardin Exclusive. Okay, you guys, this right here is like a powdery scent to me. There's something tart about it, like something sour and powdery. I don't know, but it's different. It's unique. I have never smelled anything like this, and I have never smelled anything that, like another perfume that smells just like this. So to me, this is unique, and I feel like this really does have amazing projection. I feel like this really does last, in my opinion. I have sprayed this and it has been on my clothes for days and days and days, okay? I love to travel with this perfume, like not me like traveling with it, but like getting to my destination, I like to spray this. Like if I'm like flying into, like, you know, flying to another city, I like to spray this to travel. Like this is my travel scent. And literally by the time it's like the day that I'm packing to come back to, like, you know, Houston, it's still on the clothes that like I traveled in with. Like, y'all, I love this perfume. I don't even need to open the bottle because it's oozing out of the cap. Okay, so the last perfume that I have here is very recent to my collection, and I feel like this had to be part of this video because this has already shown, you know, it has shown itself to be a good old perfume. And this is a perfume, I actually did an unboxing on my Instagram the other day, and this is Christian Dior's Gris Dior. This is from their private line. This is a perfume that when I went to my friend Amy's house, literally she had this bottle and I was like, I need it now. I need it now. I need to buy it now. And I literally bought it. Okay, I do have the limited edition bottle with the houndstooth. Oh my gosh. So let me tell you why I know that this perfume is a beast mode, okay? Well, let me tell you why. I of course, like I said, I like to spray my perfumes to go to sleep so I can test it out, right? I did just that. Y'all, I woke up, I can still smell this perfume, okay? Not only that, I sprayed this and I guess kind of got in, you know, my hair. Y'all, I literally grabbed my wig. I was like, and I was shaking it off, you know, to get ready to put on my head. And I was like, is that Green Dior? You guys, this is a beast mode perfume. Now, let me tell you what it smells like. The best way to describe this perfume, the best way, like in one word, is wealth. Like, this is what a wealthy person smells like. Not rich, okay? Not rich, but wealthy, okay? This is a bougie ass smelling perfume. And listen, a lot of my perfumes, I feel like, you know, they're quite pricey. But it's one thing for a perfume to be pricey and it smells good, but then the perfume smells like, dang, this is luxurious. Like, that is exactly what this smells like. This is, you don't wear this just anywhere, okay? You're wearing this when you're trying to go be bougie, okay? You're going to a bougie restaurant, outing, event, like, you want people to like, who is that, okay? Who is it? That's this, okay? Oh, I love this perfume. Like, this literally smells like a woman who just really is about her stuff. And also, it's a type of wealth that is not flashy, okay? There's some people who, like, you know, clearly you have money. Like, I can tell you have every single designer on, like, you know. No. This is somebody, like, they dress and it's designer, but it's subtle. Like, you would have to know your labels. You would have to know your designer to know that, oh, okay, that's what, I know what that is. I know what that is. It's not the one that's in your face, like the Balenciaga shirt, you know, like the obvious in your face. This is somebody who is like, they're very much so wealthy and they're not flashy, but you know this person, like, they carry themselves in a very elegant way. This is an elegant perfume. Like, I absolutely love this. Now, I do have the 4.25 ounce bottle, and honestly, low-key, Dior, they some thieves, okay? Let me tell you something. Dior some thieves, because if you just pay an additional $100, you get double the size. You get the 8.5 ounce. I just, you know, I got the 4.25, but I feel like once I finish this bottle, I would actually just get the big one, because this is the perfume for life. I have to have this in my collection at all times. Like, this right here makes me feel so, like, just uppity, bougie, elite, okay? I feel like that girl. And this is actually gonna be my scent of the day, okay? Even though I'm going to a baby shower today, it's still gonna be the scent of the day, okay? Because it's still new to my collection, and like, I wanna whip it out. But this is definitely, for me, a special occasion perfume. I don't wear this just everywhere. Like, this is not something that I'm just gonna wear to any place, anywhere. But today it is, because it is still relatively new to my collection and I'm enjoying it. But yeah, Green Dior. Let me go ahead and spray some on, because I'm definitely in a rush. Ooh, oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I'm over spray, okay? Spraying this all over me. Get in the hair, yes. I want you to linger. I'm spraying this bottle like it is cheap. Okay, that was my last perfume, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, like I said, your top beast mode perfumes. Let me know if you've tried any of these or if you plan on trying any of them. And like I said, okay, unless you just feel confident to blind buy this, please sample before you buy if you can, okay? Sample before you buy. But yeah, that is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.